Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So, artificial liquid intelligence Ali. So, as we can see on the daily chart, the RSI is still on a decline. We are at 43. So, we still have a way to go to be oversold at 25 levels. The MACD as well, we're still in negative momentum. I'm getting deeper into the negative momentum. Alright, so let's try to scale in a little bit. To have an idea, let's go to the 4 hours and see the indicators at that level. So RSI still in the decline, and MACD as well. Let me see. Yeah, we're still in negative momentum. Now let's go to the 1 hour chart and see in the short term what's the tendency. So up to now we completed this 5 waves up, and we're doing this ABC correction. On the 1 hour chart we were oversold, and now we're trying to bounce back. Let's see if we can revert the tendency. And then also the MACD, now we are, let me scale in a little bit more. Okay, so we can see that we're bouncing back a little bit. Now, where are we with our final wave 5? So I said this was the wave A, this was the wave B, and then we actually now officially invalidated this count, because this count cannot be a wave, an impulsive movement, because we went lower than the wave A. So I'm going to invalidate this count and cancel this box, and so we're going for lower prices now officially. So this count, the 1, 2, 3, actually that was I did the 3, but I wasn't sure it wasn't finished yet. It was it. Let me see now. Okay, so here it's a, so I would say this was the beginning of the wave 1, this was the end, and this was the wave 2. So a deal target for a wave 3 would be to the 1.618, but now we're going to go off limits, because we're going to retrace too much. So for the moment I would say, so that indeed this was, but this cannot be a wave 4, because the wave 1 it was in that level. So I would say that this must be the wave 3, and now we need to wait and see if we have a wave 4. If that is the case, wave 4 cannot go higher than this level, which is 0.555. So if I take in consideration that maybe this was the beginning of wave 3 and this is actually the end, we need to go into this area to do our wave 4. Let me put that here maybe. Okay, like so. I'm not even sure if I shouldn't yeah, that's okay. Okay, so for the moment we did the 1 and a 2, and this is the 3rd, and I'm expecting to see a bounce back and see the 4th, at least reach this level at 0.51, and we're going to have at least the minimum requirement for a wave 4, and then we still have one leg down to go. And I would say, for the moment nothing new. Now see some trend lines here. What is it? This one, maybe it was on the log one. Not even. Seriously, there is a wave for nothing, a trend for nothing. Okay, whatever. So we did break this uptrend line, did we? Yes, we did. Okay, so now also this was the level Let me redo it again. Where was our... One, two, I think this was the 3. You know what, let me put it in 2 hours. I'm just gonna go and check my previous level 4. So this would have been the 3rd. So this was my minimum retracement for a wave 3. Let me reverse it because it's not the proper count. So up to now we already went below this retracement. So we need to be aware of that. Now the ideal retracement for the whole movement, as you can see, we did almost touch to the 0.618. That is the ideal retracement for the wave 2, but it can go even lower. And because I cannot really see 4 waves, can I see 5 waves? I can really see 1, 2, and this cannot be the third because it has to be longer. I mean, it can be wave 1 and wave 3 can be the same size. You know what? It can be a wave 4 and this is the wave 5 if this third movement, the wave C, is just doing, but it's kind of stretching here, because if it does a triangle, no, this is the only occasion where the wave 1 and 4 can overlap, but it's kind of stretching, I find. So no, I don't find that this can be a wave 4. So it's really a 1 and a 2. This is a 3 reacting to even a Fibonacci extension. So I'm expecting a 4 and a 5th one. Now I'm not expecting, I'm going to try to do it, but it's not going to be conclusive in my opinion. If I add this, the length of the wave 1 to the minimum requirement of the wave 4, then you can see that we're busting, and this is going to start to be unlikely to be a wave 2. So let's, for a moment, is it? Oh, no, we're still good there. All right, so the price can push as low as 0.0288, but if we bounce back to this level as a wave 4 and we make a 1-to-1 ratio, wave 1 to, we add the length of the wave 1 to the wave 4, we will end up to be 0.031. But these are many if and if and if, so let's be more let's just see what the chart is showing us. So for a moment, I would say I'm expecting a reversal price. Try to reach this level, at least the 0.236 at 0.051. It can go a little bit higher, and then if it goes higher than that, it's not a wave 4 anymore. And then after that, we will see if the price starts to reverse, then we can make an expectation, an estimation of the final destination for an ideal wave 5. Okay, so this is pretty much all for Ali. This weekend I am expecting a little bit of a boring weekend if Bitcoin doesn't finish his pullback and complete his wave 4 that I think we're doing now. So, but it can be a nice opportunity for maybe shopping. Alright, so for sure this is not a financial advice, and have a good day. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. See ya.